Good day, each and everyone, especially to you, sir. Good day. My name is River Pagubo, and I will demonstrate the old API 2.0. So, after I finish to log in my FB account, let's proceed by creating app. So, click the create app, and then we input the app name. So, we input the claims app. Next, click the next, and next, click the other, and click the consumer, then click next and create app. Now, after we go to this dashboard, we need to go to the app settings, then click the basic. So, after clicking the basic, we have the we see the app ID and the app secret. Then, and we go now to the access token guide on Facebook. So can be user access token or app access token. It can be used with a client is credential grant or type when we have backend application need to ask the OAuth 2.0 protocol. So we use this app access token. If we click on it, that will give you the code sample which we can find the details about the app access token. Also, we need to use the app ID and the app secret, and we if scroll down, we find the CURL example, and this is the URL which we are going to use. The URL is going to be auth access token with the three query strings consisted with the client, ID client, secret, and the grant type. And we go to the postman and create new tab. So we created, and we must copy the URL. This need to copy and go back to the postman, and we need to paste it. Next, we need to to arrange so that the console will not be error. So next, so copy the URL and all the three query and the grant type query. String is going to be the client string, credential, grant type for the client ID and the client secret. We just copy the app ID. So we need to go back to the this app ID and the app secret, and now we copy the everything. So we send it. So we need to copy this. Then paste here, and then copy the app secret, then go there, then paste there, and then send it. So while waiting, so after we send it, and now we successfully received the access token, so we complete the first leg. Now, in the second leg rather, we need to access the some resources or some API using this access token. Now, we go to the overview. So, back to the Google, then click the overview, Next, the overview graph API page that we can use, and we must remember if we want to use some Facebook data, we need to have the right scope or permission and default how Facebook has a lot of security right. Now, we use the API for an user ID to get the ID, name, email, picture to provide the access token, and I will use my ID in FB or Facebook, and we go back to the Postman and open the new tab and paste the right URL. So, let's perform. Go to the profile, then copy the ID. I let's first go to the overview, then this. Copy this. Copy this. After copying this, back to the Postman and create new tab, then paste it. After pasting it, we need to copy the access token. We need to copy this. After copy this, we need to butang here. Here. Paste it. Next, we need to go to our profile and copy our Facebook ID. So here, my Facebook ID, then copy, then paste it in here. So paste, wait, copy, then paste. And then after that, we need to send it. So here, here is the result. Our name was makita nato dira, so River Pagubo, and now we see that we received all the response detail. So we complete the second leg. And that's all about the Oath API 2.0. And thank you.